it's Mandy here. I'm here to share a card today that I made with the new Indie Girls stamp called Best Girls. I'm using my Z Clean Colour brush pens, and they are watercolor pens, and I just love them because they're so easy to use and they blend beautifully. I just put a little bit of colour down and then I use my water brush just to blend the colour out. I just took some foam adhesive squares and attached the card to the pattern paper on a blank card base. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!